Hello, my name is Alicia Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to use Aurora and Chrome powders properly. Effect pigments become more and more popular. They are a true manicure special effects. But some nail technicians have problems in pigment applications. Let me show you how to apply them correctly. When you choose pigment for your design, you must know what kind of design you are going to do. This is important because pigments are different. If you want to receive a smooth mirror-like coating, choose the finest pigment with the size similar to flour. If you need to have the visible sparkling effect, choose the bigger size particles or flakes shape. It is possible to make a smooth coat with flakes too, but it takes a lot of efforts. So, better choose the correct size of the pigment first. There are several types of pigment application. First one, application on the tacky layer of gel polish or a color gel. In this case, pigment will look like velvet. Important, for proper application, leave the pigment for a couple of seconds. It will penetrate to the tacky layer just a little bit. Then you can start rubbing it in. If you will start to rub it immediately, pigment will mix with the tacky layer and the result will not be beautiful. When you are finished, overlay pigment with a top gel. Make sure to seal the edge and cure it in the lamp. Second option is to rub pigment to the surface of the cured non-tacky top gel. Apply the top gel and cure it just about 20 seconds in LED. Leave it half cured to be more comfortable for pigment application. Here it is very important to apply pigment slow and tender. If you rub it too fast and intense, pigment will not be able to bond with the top gel and the application will not be smooth. Always remove the pigment excess with a duster brush. To make this type of pigment application more durable, slightly buff the edge of the nail with a buffing file to remove the pigment on the very edge on the nail. This manicure will be more durable if you buff the pigment on the edge before sealing with the top gel. If you want to add some details with color gel, you can make it on top of the pigment before top gel application. Wishing you beautiful designs! Click here to check my other videos and subscribe to my channel to become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.